we were able to create a club called the Arms Junior Brand Ambassador.
We're learning so much about technology, which can help for future jobs later on.
Some digital design, some photography, some podcasting. It's really cool.
Learning how to use cameras, microphones, making videos, and more social skills.
I get to go to games and take photos. I get to practice how to use this really cool camera with all different features.
The brand ambassadors are leaders. They're collaborators, they're communicators, and they're innovators. The grant empowers them to think big, dream big, and to grow.
I would also want to be a reporter or someone who can work with technology like photographers, videographers.
Favorite NFL team? We like to do recordings, we like to do reels. We created a newsletter called the Gator Buzz so they can share the great things that are happening. And also our podcast.
Is the Gator Buzz with Mrs. B? Ha ha. The Gator Buzz with Mrs. B. Ha ha ha. The Gator Buzz with Mrs. B. Ha ha ha. The Gator Buzz with Mrs. B. Ha ha ha.
I love that I get to be with all these amazing people working together side by side, and that we can really help run the school as much as we can.
We are very grateful for this foundation and the grant that we have. It's going to develop their skills now and help them prepare for the future.